Hello everyone. Today in this class I explain you how to compare fraction by cross multiplication. So let's take one example that is from module number 9 unit D. Okay, module number 9 unit D, and the question is, first part I am taking, that is 3 upon 5 and 1 by 2. Here we have to compare these two fractions. Then how do we compare these fractions? So what we do here, we just simply do the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this 2 goes here and this 5 goes to this side. Then 3 into 5, 3 into 2, and it is 1 into 5. 3 2s are 6 and this is 1 into 5 means 5. So which one is more? 6 is more. It means its comparative number, that is 3 by 4 is greater than the 1 by 2. This is the way to find to compare the fraction by cross multiplication. Now let's take one more example. Now in this question again we have to compare these fractions by the cross multiplication method. So again we write the number, and this is the way. And cross multiplication method means this number goes in this direction and this number goes in this direction. So it has become 12 into 25. 25 goes to this number with this number, and 15 goes here. And 12 into 25, that is 300. And this one is our 15 to the 30, and this is 300. So these two are equal, so you write them. These are equivalent to 12 upon 15 equivalent to 20 upon 25. So these are equal. So in this way you can calculate. Okay. Now come to the module number 10. In this module you have to check that the following fractions are equivalent by cross multiplication or not. So then same way we follow this one. Then do the cross multiplication, and 4 into 42, and this is 28 into 6. 4 into 42, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, this is, and in 168. These two are equal, it means 4 upon 6 is equal to 28 upon 42. Okay, you understand this one? Come to the module number 11. Here you have to write a number in the box to make the fraction equivalent. Okay, so let's take, suppose this number is x, then how do we write x upon 5 is equivalent to 6 upon 10. So by the method of cross multiplication, we can shift this 5 to the other side in the numerator of the other side. So how do we solve then? Then it goes, then it converted into, goes in the multiplication. Then it goes in a multiplication. So we can cut 5, 5 2s are 10, and then again 6 upon 2 is here. Then what we do next? Again we can cut 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So the value is equivalent to, value of x is equivalent to 3. So in this way you can solve. I am explaining you one more example. Now the number is given to you, this one. So what we do here, first we put x in the box. Then how do we write? X upon 63 is equivalent to 21 upon 27. Then what we do, by the cross multiplication method, this number goes to the numerator of the other side. So x is only left here. So it is 21 multiply 63. When it goes to other side, then it becomes, and then it goes in the multiplication of that number. Now can we cut? Yes, we can cut. If we cut them, 3 9s. Then further also we can cut. First you write down the number. We can cut 9 is a 9, 9 7s are 63 and 7 sevens are 49. So the value of x is equivalent to 49. So in this way you can solve. Now come to the next module, that is module number 12. 12, the question is, here we have two boxes are given to you and you have to fill up the value in it so that the fraction become equivalent to each other. Let's take, suppose this one is x and this one is y. This one is equivalent to y. Now I am taking these two numbers because this fraction is completely given to you. So I am taking these two in a pair. So let's take x upon 99 is equivalent to 14 upon 18. So what we do next? As the same way, by the cross multiplication, this 99 goes here. So x is equivalent to 14 multiplying 99 upon 18. Can we cut? Yes, we can cut. 9 ones are 9 ones are 9 twos are 18. And then further also we can cut, but first you write them. Then again we cut 2 ones are 2 and 2 sevens are. So this is equivalent to 77. So the value of x is equivalent to 77. Now what we do next? Now let's take these two numbers together because this fraction is completely given to you. So I am taking these two numbers. Now what we do next? (14 upon 18) is equal to y upon 54. Now the same way, do the cross multiplication method because we want the value of y, so we have to remove this value. So according to the cross multiplication, this denominator goes in the numerator to the other side. So it is equivalent to 14 multiply 54 upon 18 equivalent to y. Now what we do next? Divide them. 54 and 18 are divisible with each other. So 18 threes are and 14 into 3 is equivalent to 14 threes are 42. So this is the value of y. So it means in place of x we can fill 77 and in place of y we can fill 42. So these are the equivalent fraction which we can write. Okay, understand everyone?